customers are dealing with the high-speed ecosystem of world air cargo trade. And as a result, sometimes they don't have enough equipment to fully stock that one airplane. So some of the challenges have to do with the constant demand for speed, the constant demand for reliable delivery, and the constant need to move valuable cargo that is time sensitive. And that's one of the best things that we do, is service those needs with custom ULD solutions.
We're communicating today with our team in Amsterdam in regards to the purchasing of ULDs, the positioning of the ULDs. Joost Jacobsen, Maurice van der Heijden, Harold Elfring, and Matthijs Farber, all in different parts of the organization: sales, ops, economics, and also technology.
The agenda that we're going to be working on today is 4 big things. ULD logistics and balancing between our stations.
ACL Airshop is the global market leader in short-term leasing in this time-driven market. ACL Airshop has 52 locations at the world's largest cargo airports. We're 6 continents, we have over 50,000 ULDs. We do everything. We are that one-stop shop. We offer the lease, that's our core business, but we also offer sale, repair, manufacturing and management of all these products.
I know that you've been doing some work in terms of the load sheets and getting their units uploaded into ULD control. There's a lot of experience that's required from a logistics perspective in order to service our business model, and I think that's something that's learned through experience. You have to have a very intense understanding of where the cargo is and a constant communication with the customers, because they're going to tell you where the equipment is needed. That's the stickiness factor of ACL Airshop. We've doubled the company in 5 years without doubling our overhead. And a lot of that is attributed to some very good people who wear multiple hats and can do a lot of things really well. And it's also attributed to our advancements in technology. You click on the unit and it says AAYs in stock.
Our technology keeps evolving because we have management that supports the technology strategy.
17 hours, 1 minute. It's been sitting there.
The Find My ULD app is used to see all the movements of the ULD that are made throughout the world. And with that, the customer can see the stock on every airport they are flying to. Another important thing is that they can also see their lease contracts. They can see where a pallet is in lease, so we are able to move fast, and we keep on changing and improving and adding new functionality to all our systems.
If we want to be scalable, if we want to grow this company, we need to automate parts of our business. The customers have full end-to-end visibility, it's fully transparent. They know when a container or a pallet arrives, they know exactly how long it took for their repair, they know exactly what parts we used. And what they can do is they can make decisions based on what we have done. And that's what we do for our customers.
The biggest challenges are the unpredictable circumstances and immediate imbalances for the airline company. We try to react on that in a very short period of time due to our scalability and our flexibility to help all the customers to get their equipment in time at the right place.
So we've got professional teams all over the world in sales, operations and finance. They work very closely to each other. They are based in Europe, Asia and US, and we need to make sure that all processing is done in time. It's going to help us to grow further in the future.
We service network customers. So the bigger our network, the more customer service we can give. Customer satisfaction and having a culture of being responsive to the customer has been baked into ACL Airshop for decades. In many ways, we are so embedded with their needs and with their requirements, listening to those needs, responding quickly, getting them what they need, when they need it, where they need it, that's not just a vendor relationship. That's a strategic alliance.
All of the metrics that you read concerning civil aviation and air freight and cargo has Asia Pacific as one of the highest growth areas. Within the last 60 months, we've gone from 2 sites to 16 currently, and we have 17 and 18 in the wings ready to go. The growth of our network, the responsiveness that we have, and the technology supporting everything provides customer stickiness and improves our profit velocity.
Using the technology, using all the reporting metrics, the company could double or triple in the next 5 to 10 years. IATA itself, the International Air Transport Association, has published their own forecast for the year 2021, stating that the world air cargo business as a whole will rise 25% over 2020. ACL Airshop is going to ride that momentum up and take care of every customer requirement that comes our way.
We have 50,000 ULDs. We have over 200 customers. We had so many leases worldwide. We will most likely grow into the 100 largest cargo airports in the world.
We've taken it from its humble beginnings, almost 40 years ago, to where it is today. Now it's on the global stage. Yes, we've done a lot so far, but we're certainly not finished.